The solar eclipse falling on 21st June 2020 will be visible in Asia, including India, most of Africa, southeastern Europe and northern Australia. This eclipse will be visible as an annular eclipse in some parts of North India and as a partial solar eclipse in most of India. The solar eclipse falling on 21st June this year is creating a planetary combination of massive destruction. This is tragic for the nation and the world. This planetary combination will relieve the burden of the earth. Pujya Bapuji, in his spiritual discourses, mentioned numerous times that those who observe the rules to be followed on an eclipse, as prescribed by the scriptures, and do their spiritual practices, that's japa etc., during an eclipse period, are not only saved from the bad effects of the eclipse, but also earn great religious merit. Maharshi Vedavyasa says, the solar eclipse falling on a Sunday or lunar eclipse falling on a Monday is said to form Chudamani Yoga. The religious merit one earns on doing japa, meditation and virtuous deeds on Chudamani Yoga is 1 crore-fold more than that obtained by doing the same on a solar eclipse falling on other days. What should be done and what should be avoided during such unfavorable and destructive planetary conjunctions have been expounded in Pujya Bapuji's spiritual discourses.
सूर्य ग्रहण में 4 पहर 12 घंटे पहले सूतक लगता है और चंद्र ग्रहण में 3 पहर 9 घंटे पहले सूतक लगता है। तो सूर्य ग्रहण चंद्र ग्रहण में ये सूतक के पहले भोजन करने का विधान है। अगर कोई सूतक में भोजन करता है तो बालक हो, बीमार हो, वृद्ध हो तो उसको 4.5 घंटे पहले कर लेना चाहिए और दूसरों को 9 घंटे पहले करना चाहिए। अगर ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो उनको और जन्मों में नीच गति की प्राप्ति होती है, दोष लगता है, अंतःकरण मलिन होता है, मन नीचे हो जाता है।
And the pregnant women to quietly have something to eat until 1 to 1.5 prahara or 3 to 4.5 hours prior to the eclipse. Having food after that until the eclipse hours are over could cause a great deal of harm to health. Especially pregnant women should remain extremely cautious during eclipse hours.
अगर इस बात को सुना अनसुना करता है तो एक एक कौर खाता है तो उसमें जितने दाने उतना कीड़े खाने का पाप लगता है। और चंद्र ग्रहण सूर्य ग्रहण के सूतक में अन्न लेने वाला या मैथुन करने वाला या और भोग भोगने वाला व्यक्ति हजारों वर्ष नारकी योनियों में भटकता है।
The rationale behind the steadiness of good and evil. When the earth passes directly between the sun and the moon, its shadow creates a lunar eclipse. And when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, the lunar shadow is seen as a solar eclipse on earth. A lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon night, whereas a solar eclipse can occur only on a new moon day. During the time of an eclipse, for some time, the earth remains deprived of the effect of the rays of the sun or moon. This in turn affects the animal world as well, which is governed by the sun and the moon. And even the dynamic influence exercised by the rays of the sun and the moon on subtle elements ceases during that period. Even the activity of our small cells and smallest organelles is minimal during that period. This is the very reason why any lowly act or emotion occurring during an eclipse becomes steady, as it can't flow or pass through. Hence, it is said that during the eclipse or Sutaka hours, one shouldn't eat, and even before the start of eclipse, one should engage himself in good acts and thoughts, so that one becomes deeply and strongly imbued with goodness. Once this happens, his disposition, mind and manner will be filled with peace and happiness, and the individual will get an increase in lifespan, health and nourishment. However, if one becomes strongly imbued with evil, Rajoguna or Tamoguna, then the individual's life will be overcome by anxiety, grief, fear, passion, and restlessness. This is how food should be saved from defilement. Food prepared before an eclipse should be discarded after the eclipse period. Boiled milk or an food item prepared from milk, curd, buttermilk or ghee, or food which is well cooked using oil or ghee such as puris etc. may be consumed even after the eclipse hours, provided kusha is put into it. Kusha is one of the varieties of sacred grass used in many religious rites. Put kusha, sesame seeds or tulsi leaves in the water before the Sutaka starts so that it can be used during the Sutak period. The water stored during the eclipse period should not be used after the eclipse, but if it is not possible for some people, they can use the water in which is kosha etc. is put as mentioned above according to some experts. Generally, kosha is used to save the things from adverse effect of the eclipse. This prevents the food items from defilement or turning impure during an eclipse. If kosha is not available, one may use sesame seeds in lieu. This too inhibits the effect of the subtlest of rays on food items. Even putting tulsi leaves yields similar results. However, don't ever put sesame seeds or tulsi leaves in milk or articles prepared from milk. Things to be completely avoided during eclipse hours.
चंद्र ग्रहण हो, सूर्य ग्रहण हो, उस समय भोजन करना, संसार भोगना, नींद करना बहुत बहुत नुकसान करता है। सूर्य ग्रहण हो अथवा चंद्र ग्रहण हो, उस समय भोजन करने वाले को कुष्ठ रोग होगा, नींद करने वाले को कोई न कोई बीमारी पकड़ेगी, संभोग करने वाले को दूसरा जन्म सूअर की योनि में जाना पड़ता है। ऐसे ही चोरी करने वाले को अथवा सूर्य और चंद्र ग्रहण के समय सूर्य अभिमुख होकर या ऐसे वैसे पेशाब आदि करने वाले को दरिद्रता पकड़ लेती है। ठगाई करने वाले को सर्प की योनि में जाना पड़ता है। जब सूर्य और चंद्र ग्रहण के समय ये काम करने से इतना नुकसान होता है तो अच्छे काम करने से फायदा भी उतना ही होता है।
Doing the following during an eclipse will improve one's life in this world and the next. Wearing a Rudraksha rosary during a solar eclipse destroys sins provided that Rudraksha beads are original, not factory-made artificial ones. Doing japa of the mantra imparted during mantra diksha gives mantra siddhi. Maharshi Vedavyasa says, virtuous acts like japa etc. performed during a lunar eclipse gives 100,000-fold fruit, while that done during a solar eclipse gives 1,000,000-fold fruit. So make sure you do the japa of Arogya mantra or the mantra for health and attain siddhi in Brahmacharya mantra or mantra for celibacy as well.
ये प्रयोग जब ग्रहण का समय है, चंद्र ग्रहण, सूर्य ग्रहण, तो सूर्य ग्रहण के समय क्या करना है? ब्राह्मी घृत में ओम नमो नारायण 80 माला जप करे सूर्य ग्रहण के समय। ब्राह्मी घृत वैद्य बनाना जानते हैं। ब्राह्मी के पत्ते लेकर उसका रस निकाल दिया और वो घी में डाल दिया। उबलते उबलते रस सूख गया तो हो गया ब्राह्मी घृत। उसमें देखे और ओम नमो नारायणाय, ओम नमो नारायण। और उस दिन सूर्य और चंद्र ग्रहण के समय 8000 जप करे। ग्रहण पूरा होने पर वो ब्राह्मी और घी को जो स्पर्श किया वो पी ले। उसकी बुद्धि शक्ति, बाप रे बाप, मेधा शक्ति एकदम पावरफुल हो जाएगी। एक दिन में कवित्व शक्ति जागृत हो जाएगी। कल्पनातीत उसकी मेधा बढ़ जाएगी, बुद्धि शक्ति बढ़ जाएगी और वचन सिद्धि हो जाएगी। सूर्य चंद्र ग्रहण के समय उपवास करे, ब्राह्मी और घृत का स्पर्श करे और भगवान नाम 8000 बार जपे, मतलब 80 माला तो हो जाती है 2 घंटे में। और फिर वो स्पर्श की हुई चीज इतना तो होता है, थोड़ा शांत बैठे, बुद्धि बढ़ जाएगी, मेधावी हो जाएगा।
Any lowly or sinful act performed becomes manifold in terms of sinful effect during eclipse hours. And when an individual reaps the benefit of reflection on God, meditation on God, and divine knowledge, he gets blessed with the world of God and divine bliss without much effort. If one gets imbued with the anguish of separation from God during the eclipse, it means he is sure to attain God, and the attainment of God is guaranteed for him. Virtuous acts like japa, mauna, meditation and remembrance of God, etc. turn manifold in terms of meritorious results. After the eclipse period is over, one should take a bath with clothes on. Take special precautions during the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse affects the heart. Therefore, do not indulge in any such act, eating or thought which could make the heart weak. If one is not cautious, then a heart problem will occur. Therefore, one should strengthen the heart by chanting Guru Mantra with Omkara. Charity and other virtuous acts should be performed. For detailed information regarding the solar eclipse, please read Rishi Prasad issue 328-329, April-May 2020, or read the book Kya Kare Kya Na Kare, published by the Ashram. You can find the timings of the solar eclipse at some main places in India and abroad in the description below.